Next is what here? Pointer. Next is what here?
Pointer.
First is the definition of pointer. Pointer is a variable
Pointer is a variable
that store the address, memory location, memory address of another variable as it's a value. Yes. In short, pointer is what here? Variable. Pointer is what?
variable.
That holds address of other variable as it's a value. It's a value. Now see here, syntax here. First type, then asterisk indicate this is a what here? A pointer, and this is a pointer name of pointer. This type is in here any type. It may be int, float, struct, and etc. It is any kind of type. Okay. It may be here primitive types, means type that provided by C, or it may be user defined types. Okay. Now this is the pointer declaration. First here type, then asterisk, then ptr. Ptr name is what here? Name of the pointer. Asterisk indicate what here? It's a ptr pointer. Now there are two pointer operator. Number first is what here? Asterisk. Number one
Asterisk.
means a value at address. Asterisk means what?
Value at address.
Another one is what here? Ampersand means what here? Address of. Whenever this occur, asterisk, it's always read as a value at address. कैसा read करने का है?
Value at address.
Whenever it occur, ampersand, this is what here? Address of. Now see here, this is an example. Here integer I equals to what here? 3. Here I equals to what here? I is a variable of type integer whose value is what here? 3. Integer asterisk pi. Pi is what here? It's a pointer. Asterisk indicate what here? It's a pointer of type integer. Yes. Now in the third step, this pi equals to ampersand I means pi is what here? Pointer that holds address of other variable. Pointer is what? Variable that holds address of another variable as it's a value. As it's a value. Now see here, this is a I equals to what here? 3. I equals to what here? 3. This is a variable whose value is a 3. Now whose address is what here? FFF 4 for 3 times, and this is 4 hexadecimal number. Now here this is a pi. Pi is what here? It's a pointer. Now after this statement, pi holds address of I. That's the address of I is nothing but what here? FFF4. Yes, FFF4 means this pointer points to this I. Yes, this pi is what here? Variable. Pi is what here? Pointer variable. This is pi is what here? Pointer variable that holds what here? That holds what here? Address of what here? Other variable. This holds what here? Address of what here? Other variable. Pi is what? Pointer. Pi is what? Pointer that holds address of what here? Other variable acts is a value. Here this is a value of this pi is what here? Address of I. And here pi itself address is suppose what here? FFF. And this is a 2. Okay. Now see here. Here I equals to %d means here value of I. Value of I is what? 3. Very good. Now ampersand I means what here? Address of I. Here address of I is this. And here it's a value. Its value is again what here? It's a 3. Yes. Address of I is what? Here this is the address of I. Yes, here this is the address of I, and its a value. Its value is a 3. And pi is what here? Pointer that holds a already address of I. Okay, at that address pi value is what? And this is a 3. And this is what here? 3. Means this is all possibilities of the printing. The value is a 3. That's the value of I. Yes. Now here this is the first is I. Now next print address of I. Address of I, this is nothing but FFF4. And pi pi is already what here pointer that holds the address of I, that's here FFF4, right? Now next is a ampersand pi means address of I, this is a FFF2. Okay, now this program, this is first program, this is what here PTR, this is first program is what here PTR. Now see, this is I, this is a 3, address of I, and it's a value, means in short value of I. Next is what here asterisk pi, pi is variable, holds address of I, at that I value is what here again 3, means this is a value printing of what here what here printing of value of I means 3. Yes, next is the address of I means FFF4. Next is what here again FFF4. Yes, next is what here FFF2. Now run this program. See here, this is a 333, this is what here address of I and address of pi. Okay, now see here next program. Now next is what here, see here, this is nothing but a pointer assignment. This is what here pointer assignment. Here I equals to 3. Yes, its value is FFF4. pi equals to what here address of I. Here pi is a address of I. pj and pi is the same. Here we are assigning one pointer to another pointer, and this is called as what here pointer assignment. याला काय म्हणतात? Pointer assignment. Now first we want to print the value of I. First we want to print the value of I, means this is just a percent I, it's a 3. Asterisk pi means here this is a 3. Asterisk pj against what here 3. Address of I, the address of I, this its the value is again 3, means this is all possibilities of the printing a 3. Yes, now next we want to print a here this is a address of I, address of I. Now this is a pi, this is pi means what here address of I. pj is address of I, and address of I itself, this is this all in what here in hexadecimal number. Now next is what here address of pj, this is an address of what here last is what here pi and pj, both addresses is this is one. Okay, now see here this program, another one program. Now name of the another program is what here ptr1. Next program is what here ptr1. See here this is I is 3, pi asterisk pi means again 3, asterisk pj means what here 3. Address of I is what, and its a value is again 3. Next is what here address of pi, here printing of address of I, here address of pi, and this is address of pj. All addresses display in what here hexadecimal number system, right? Means what, in short here pointer is what here variable, pointer is what variable that stored address of another variable adds its a value, and here this is what here pj equals to pi, means here this is we are here assigning pointer assignment. Here we are assigning pi pointer to pj pointer. Yes, okay, this is about the pointer. Yes, our channel name is what here Programming Master. Like, subscribe, press bell icon. If you have any question, you see, comment. Thank you.